What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and this is my Smith & Wesson SD40, all right? And this SD40 is a nice gun, but everybody knows how much I hate this trigger, all right? So what I have decided to do is change that out for the Apex Apex flat face action enhancement kit. This is not just the trigger. We have all types of springs and everything in here, and a lot of things about to get changed out. And they say that this turns this into a completely new gun. So we are about to find out. Not do trigger work, so I'm about to take this up and let Shannon do his thing to it, because I am not going to touch the trigger on this. And I also have a new base plate for it and a new back plate, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything put on to the Smith & Wesson SD40 and see if we can make it to where the trigger doesn't suck anymore. Alright, we up here at Arrowhead. I have all the pieces on here. Shannon's getting ready to go ahead and cook it up for me. So, yeah, let me go on in the back. Okay, so we got the Apex trigger going into the SD40, and we may have some fitment roadblocks, but we're gonna see exactly what happens. You have yourself a good Christmas, man?
Oh, it's quiet.
Okay, that's a good Christmas. That is always a good Christmas when it's quiet.
Or
Sounded great. Keep it going.
for someone who can sing on key, he spends an awful lot of time singing off key.
I finally got my grips for my M9A4.
What'd you get?
Some War Chief grips. They are carved of some wood native to Helsinki, Finland.
I wouldn't know what that is.
I brought it. I was gonna show it to you.
Well, I wouldn't know what the wood is.
But yeah, it came out. It came out pretty good. Pretty good. I just need to find me a holster that I like, where I can keep a flashlight on it. But I've been having difficulty with that.
The military holsters, I think, will, but they're an awful big holster.
Absolutely. Like a drop leg or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure the top half works.
All right. Never doubted you for a second, man.
Well, So that way if you got a problem, you know which half.
Exactly. Might have to remember that. Definitely gonna have to remember that.
That's got a retainer hole there, and this has a retainer there. That's not going to stay unless they got a different plate. They got a different plate in there?
I believe they sent two.
I mean, a retaining plate.
Or
Oh,
oh,
it's cut out.
okay.
So that's not the right place.
All right, so you say maybe fitment issues on the bottom half sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta fit the triggers. Damn. Just like a clock, it goes. It don't want to go.
Yeah, see, that's the problem with me doing this. Little pieces. I do not like them.
I try working on North American arms. Like working on a watch.
Oh man. Yeah.
So I got a pin that'll slave it.
Is it almost time to clock out and start drinking?
Yep, little pieces.
Without a slave pen, wouldn't be very much fun. Try it without the slide stop first. Yeah, it's a lot easier. And the damn spring pops out. Apex trigger, or at least it came that way to him, and it doesn't release.
Oh wow. So
Yeah.
You know anything about 44 special?
Yeah.
Special order for some ammo?
No, I don't know about that.
all right. So
Red bottom magazine.
oh okay. Go ahead and get all the accents on there. Okay, so Apex trigger inside of the SD40. All right, you guys saw it done. Like I said, I don't work on triggers. I bring them up here to my boy Shannon, and he get it right every single time.
What's up? Now we done made it back from Shannon. and the SD40 is looking pretty awesome, Went on to put the base plate and the back plate on there, and also we have this trigger. All right, the Apex, as you saw him putting it on, is a lot better. Hold on just a moment. So here's the action and release, action. All right, so it is a lot better feel, a lot better action, and all the springs were changed too. You saw that. So everything was done to make this SD40 better. So we're going to go ahead and get this to the range and see if it shoots better as well. But I am liking it. You guys hit me in the comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this SD40. I think it's going to work. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take this gun on. And Johnny Snow up out of here.